Yo, what's up guys, I'm back at my channel. Since you can see, we are with this guy. Okay, let's see if you're looking his huge box. I want to see, man. What, he got that? Oh shit, yes. As if he actually does it. Like, no, if he, okay guys, like bro, I wanna thank him so much. I wanna give a shout out to this guy, cause he lets me use his huge dog, and bro, this makes me so much feel better that people trust me, even if I came from a huge first ever, bro. Look at, bro, like, just look at this man, look at this man, look at this guy, look at this, look at this cute dog man, look at that, bro. Now I'll give it back to him. Bro. And boom. Okay guys, so you know the scammer username. Carrots underscore bunny. Guys, please report this guy. Please report. I even got approved. Like seriously, he even on my last video that said there's a video of him scamming me. He even said, "I'm sorry for scamming you." Bro, apologies. It's not enough. I want my pet back. Please give it back. Just please, bro. If you're watching this, bro, I feel so lonely, bro. But this guy gave me that juice, bro. I don't feel that lonely now. Cause I got my bar right here. Mac chicken and I love McDonald's. Subscribe.